Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Do you want to create amazing videos for your social media, your business, or your personal projects, but you feel like you don't have the time, the budget for expensive software, or the complex editing skills? What if I told you that all you need now are your ideas and a few simple words? Today, the world of AI video creation is exploding, and it's changing the game for everyone. I've tested dozens of tools, and in this video, I'm going to share my top 5 favorite free AI tools that can turn any text prompt into a stunning video in seconds. We're covering everything from cinematic shots to full social media videos, so stick around. Coming in at number 5 is Lumen 5. This tool is brilliant for content marketers and bloggers. Its strength is turning existing text like a blog post or an article into an engaging social media video. You just give it a link and its AI analyzes the text, picks out the key sentences, and matches them with relevant stock photos and videos from its library. The free plan is great for getting started and creating watermarked videos. At number 4, we have InVideo AI. This is like having a video production assistant. Instead of just one clip, you can give it a single prompt like, create a 1-minute video about the benefits of remote work, and it will generate a complete video script. Find stock footage, add text overlays, and even create a voiceover. It's perfect for creating quick explainer videos or YouTube shorts. The free version lets you export a set number of videos per week. Number 3 is a name you'll hear everywhere, Pika Labs or Pika.art. This tool is all about creativity and artistry. You can give it a simple prompt like a golden retriever wearing sunglasses on a skateboard in space, and it will generate a short, high-quality, and often surreal video clip. It's fantastic for creating unique visuals, animated logos, or just bringing a wild idea to life. The free plan operates on a credit system, giving you a daily allowance to create. Our runner-up at number 2 is HeyGen, or similar tools like Synthesia. This is a different kind of video creation. Here, you can create a video of a realistic AI avatar, just like me, speaking any text you write. You choose an avatar, type your script, and it generates a video of them speaking with natural lip syncing. This is incredibly powerful for creating training videos, business presentations, or social media updates without ever showing your own face on camera. Their free plans usually allow you to create a short video to test it out. And finally, my number 1 pick for the best free AI video generator is Runway, specifically their Gen 2 model. Runway is the industry leader for a reason. It excels at creating short cinematic and incredibly realistic video clips from text or an image. The quality is simply breathtaking. If you need a beautiful atmospheric shot for a project, a stunning B-roll clip, or a movie-like scene, Runway is the tool to use. Just like Pika, its free plan gives you a starting set of credits, which is more than enough to see the magic for yourself. So there you have it. 5 incredible and mostly free tools that prove you no longer need to be a professional editor to create professional-looking videos. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. The best way to learn is to start experimenting. I'll have links to all these tools in the description below. Let me know in the comments which of these tools are you most excited to try. And did I miss any of your favorite free AI video tools? If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.